Hey, back again with a simple tutorial. This tutorial today is going to be showing you how to disable these automatic updates in Windows 10. And it's fairly simple, so it's going to be a pretty quick video. And if you find this helpful, please do subscribe. And I'll be posting at least 2 tutorials on Windows 10 and a bunch of other programs like OBS and Twitch and a bunch of other different, computer-based programs, tutorials. So if you want to see more tutorials and you want to get some knowledge on Windows 10, do subscribe or just hit the like button. That's always appreciated. But anyway, let's jump into this. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up the control panel. And the control panel is pretty easy to open up. If you can't get to it any other way, just come down here to search, type in control panel, boom, and it'll come straight up. You can just hit enter. But I already have one up, so what we're going to do is go to category. Once this is up, and hit large icons, and then this is going to bring up this screen here. It's just going to show you a few more options that you can do other than in here. Now administrative tools is what we want to go to, and I already have a window up. And once you're in administrative tools, you're going to go down to services. Now I already have one of these up, but you're going to double click that, and I'm going to enlarge it for you guys just so you can see. And we're going to go straight down to Windows Update. Now normally when you click on it up here, it'll have like a stop and start, but I've already disabled it once, so it's not going to be showing that, and I think I can actually get it to come back. Yep. So you can start services here. You can reset the services. But if you want to disable it altogether, just come here, disable. Make sure you hit stop and then apply. And that's going to take this little thing away here, and it's going to have no effect on your computer at all. Now if you do want to put it back, I would say put it on manual so you can have a little bit of control over it. And we can start once again and stop. And that's it. I'm going to move this back down to disabled, but yeah, that's basically it. That's going to make that service rendered useless. It's not going to do anything to your computer. The startup, it's going to be disabled, so you won't have to worry about this thing asking you, in the middle of video games or in the middle of watching Netflix about like, hey, do you want to update Windows, to a crappy version of Windows that you really don't want. But anyway, I'm digressing. If you like this video and it was helpful, please do subscribe once again or hit the like button, and I will see you in the next one.